How to make an Amazon teacher wish list. When logged into your Amazon account, at the top choose Account and List, then choose Your Lists. Click the button in the middle that says Create a List and name your classroom wish list. Name it something unique for your class. I teach STEM, so I made it a STEM shopping list. There are a few ways that you can add items to your wish list. First, you can add an idea. When you type an idea, it's not tied directly to an item, but this might be some things that you're like, oh, I really want to add this to my classroom. For example, I would really like STEM growth mindset books. When you have the ideas, you can search for them now, or you can search for them later. To search for specific items, you can click on the side and click top search results and see what pops up. These aren't the things you have to choose from, but it gives you a good idea what other people are searching for. On the side of the item underneath the shopping button, you can add it to your specific wish list. So I'm going to choose my STEM shopping list. I can keep shopping from here, or I can view my list directly. I can even go back up to my settings and find my list right there. When I click on Your List, my items will pop up. I can keep adding to this idea, or I can add items how I would typically search when I'm shopping for things. Up in the search bar, I'm going to type an item that I would like to look for. I would really like cardboard cutters for my classroom. This would help in my makerspace. I can search the options just as if I were shopping, click on the item, and again on the side I can add it to my list, and I can even change the quantity I would like to add as well. This time I'm actually going to view my list using that button that popped up, and I can even play around more with the settings to help prospective buyers as to why I would like this in my classroom. If I click the Add Comment, Quantity, and Priority, I can type what the purpose is. This is also very helpful for people who aren't in education. They might not understand why I would need cardboard cutters in a STEM space. So I'm just adding in the reason why and why this would be helpful, and then double checking that quantity. And I can even change the priority. This might be something I really want to use and make sure it gets purchased. So I can change this as a high priority for my classroom. Other things would be nice to have, but this is what I really, really would like. When I click on the top right corner of my list, the three dots that says More, I get a couple options there. I can print my list, so I can give this to my registrar, PTO. I can even manage my list, and there are further settings here. You can actually have Alexa add things if you want to have that option. I'm going to turn that off for now. I can make the privacy settings different, public or private. I can go through all of these different things, change my address. This could actually be really helpful too if you want to have items delivered to your school, then you're not loading up your car and worrying about checking those into the building. So these settings are really helpful to customize and make this list work for you. Finally, when you're ready, you can share your list. You can always add things after you share, so don't be worried this isn't a published piece. You can email the link, or you can just get the link, copy and paste it somewhere else, and you are good to go.